Have you ever had a dream or a goal and just thought, F it, I'm gonna do it?
Well, 7 years ago, that's exactly what we did, and it's the best decision we've ever made.
What is happening, guys? We are Craig and Amy, and you are watching Kinging It!
And today we're going to be recapping what it's taken to get here, why we will continue to make videos, what 100,000 subscribers means to us,
and how we've encountered some of the best experiences of our lives since picking up a camera.
Oh my God!
Not even lying.
Who are you talking to?
So,
This is Amy. Not the one in the flowery shorts, the one in the stupid hat. She's never afraid to tell you how it is.
So the second stop we had on the road, that was pure diarrhea, that was.
When you hang out with her, you're guaranteed to have a laugh.
I don't know if it will be the right bit.
Amy's a cancer survivor, she's a good sport, an animal lover,
She just licked inside my mouth.
a fashion queen. You were on a way to a bowling tournament after your night shift with Florence Nightingale. She's also a part-time stuntman and a full-time angry pedo.
There's a fan on me. If you fart, that's going straight in my mouth.
This is Craig.
This is $80.
Wow, that's so mad. The braver out of us two, but also the chopsiest.
Mind your own business, Karen. We'll sleep where we want, love.
When are you gonna start being kind?
I'm always kind to you. Now where's my sandwich? Ah, Felicia.
You're never safe from adrenaline when you're around Craig. That's probably why he broke his neck back in 2009. He's a madman. A smelly man.
Can I duck?
He's also our designated driver.
Ooh. We have an interesting relationship. Who's the killer?
I'm not a detective.
No spoilers, I haven't read your novel yet.
Not a detective.
You look like a Belgian murder mystery novel writer.
I'll tell you who the killer is. It's me!
Got any ice creams for sale or what?
Stop taking the piss out of me before I crack you in the nuts.
Oh! Is it in the right place?
Yeah. The problem with travelling with Amy is that she gets roped into every scam going. Amy, your mum's on the phone. So whilst Amy tried to help, she dropped someone's scooter on the floor and then stepped in a pile of shit. But way before all of these antics started taking place, we had decided to save all of our pennies, step outside of our comfort zones, and film everything that came flying at us.
If only these two knew what the next 7 years would have in store for them.
When we decided to travel the world, we never knew what to expect. But our main goal was to show people that the world isn't so big and it isn't so scary.
In 2014, we set off on our first around-the-world trip. We saved up as much money as we could and started to film on a little point-and-shoot camera and a GoPro.
From early logo concepts and ideas, Kinging It was born. We wanted a logo that could be worn and represent getting out there and ruling your own world, and the crown was perfect. After all of the hard planning and saving, we finally set off. We bought around-the-world tickets and embarked on a crazy 7-month trip. We laughed a lot. We got diarrhea, we did some typical tourist stuff, but most importantly, we had a wicked time seeing brand new places and people that we'd never seen before. On this trip, our love and excitement for travelling and the unknown flourished. It's not just the views and food that we loved, it's the not knowing what you'll be doing the next day, changing plans last minute to go on a 4-hour scooter ride through the mountains, and deciding to stay somewhere longer because they've got sick fire shows. We started by filming one video per country with no regular upload schedule, but you all seemed to enjoy the videos a lot and wanted more. What we loved the most about posting these videos is how much you guys were inspired. So many of you decided to book trips to Southeast Asia, and some of you even took the plunge and moved to New Zealand.
Our last real jobs were in New Zealand, and when we came home, we made a pledge to make Kinging It a full-time thing. The next few years we spent trying our hand at anything and everything.
And through a bit of luck and a lot of hard work, we managed to make our dream of making videos full-time a reality, and we've never looked back.
Getting to travel the world more also meant more chance of things going wrong, and by golly have we had our fair share of it.
Are we gonna get killed in here, Craig?
That's the vibe I'm getting.
Yeah! Is he gonna bite me? This is an actual disaster.
I don't know why I'm getting upset.
Another police stop, yay!
Oh, I think it's passed me in the eye, Craig.
Did I mention Amy got pink eye from emptying the toilet the other day? A little bit of plop went on her eye. And now she got conjunctivitis.
To keep it real with you all, it has been an emotional roller coaster. As we mentioned before, due to the high stress of everything behind the scenes, the pressures we put on ourselves to make exciting new videos and to keep up the momentum, it really took its toll on our relationship and our mental health, to the point where we had to have couples counselling. We put a lot online and I was thinking, do we need to put this on there? This is very personal. Oh my god, I'm getting emotional.
You're right.
Yeah. It has just been really hard. We were at breaking point. It was that bad. It got really low and we got very sad over it, didn't we? And we really pushed each other away from each other, and that's not what we wanted. And we really realised, you know, this is everything. He's everything to me, and I hope.
Of course,
but like, it was just not worth throwing it away. You forget how much you love each other, and you forget what that feeling's like because you're so busy with trying to make the best content you can for our YouTube channel, and it gets pushed to the side. So I'm so glad we did it. But the way I'm looking at it is that if we share it with you guys and it helps just one couple, maybe one couple out there, or you know, a young girl who's online all the time and she's like, oh, they're couple goals, I dream of that. And you know, not everything you see online is perfect.
There have been a number of times where we've had to take a step back due to burnout or feeling down. This isn't a complaint, it's just a note to say that whoever you are, if you're not feeling great and your mental health is suffering, then take some time out for yourself. There's no shame in reaching out for help. And to keep our late friend Lee's message going, if you're struggling, speak up for Lee.
Carrying on with the theme of being honest, even after 7 years, we still mess up.
We're gonna pass a cat around the cabin. We're gonna pass a cat around the cabin.
I can't. Some silly pip.
Silly what? Call me? Thanks, never gonna. So I finally called.
So protect. Oh, Waffy.
Oh god, you're so strong. You're so angry and strong.
Quiet, bitch.
We are still winging it. Which road are we taking then?
I have no idea.
We still don't know where we're going, but all we know is we are loving the journey.
And we still need to make some money, so here's an advert. Please don't skip it.
So before we carry on, we'd like to thank this week's sponsor, Squarespace.
Don't be a bum all your life.
We know you've got dreams and aspirations just like us, so get off the sofa and do something about it.
Back in 2014, our website was whack. I'm not gonna lie, look at the state of it.
But now we've got a beautiful website because we designed it on Squarespace.
If you are a builder, oh cheers love, an aerobics instructor,
Come on guys, let's work up a sweat.
or Naomi Campbell,
Champagne darling.
then you need a website. Squarespace can help you sell anything. Just click your niche and choose a beautiful award-winning layout. All you have to do is drag and drop your pictures, and if you're stuck on something, chances are there will be a video to help you out in the help centre. Easy peasy.
So go to squarespace.com for your free trial.
And when you're finally ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/kingingit for 10% off your first website or domain.
So after 7 years of hard work, travelling the world, creating videos and having some all-round epic adventures, we sat down to watch the final 100k subscriber roll in. Or so we thought.
Why is this so nerve-wracking?
Oh, we lost one.
Who won't subscribe? Not now. Not right now.
lads.
Come on.
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Oh,
she's
we got back
up.
up.
She's
We
back
got
up.
back.
I think I need to take some
nerve-wracking.
anxiety tablets. We could have dressed up for the occasion.
Yeah, likewise. Honestly though, guys, this is a huge, huge milestone for us.
It's just been so long.
It's been a long time, and it's not numbers for us. Like in a sense, we know that there's people behind those numbers. But 100,000 subscribers is a massive milestone. So yeah, it's been a
It
long
just
time
feels
coming.
great. Like the more people that watch us, hopefully the more people that we can inspire to do what we do, or travel and just have a great time with their lives, rule their own worlds.
Come on, someone's just logged in. They're watching a video.
They got off work at 6.
And they're like, "This is great. I think I'm gonna press subscribe."
Subscribe.
4, 3, 2, 1. We'll wait.
I need the toilet. I don't want to go.
Yeah, so do I. 100,000 subscribers!
We did it, Craig.
Yes!
It's been a long time coming, but we did it.
Well done, babes. Oh, great stuff. 100,000.
Let's go down now.
Well done, babes.
Thanks
You're
very much.
bloody champ. Pleasure doing business with
And
you.
you, Craig.
Get in. Thank you, guys. Thanks for being our subscribers.
When we started our channel, we never expected to experience so many highs and so many lows.
It's hard work, Craig, isn't it?
We didn't expect to be able to inspire so many of you.
We didn't expect to be driving across the world in a camouflage wrapped car with a dinosaur on the top for charity.
We never imagined we'd be driving a little cake tin on wheels the length of India. Change gear, fam, change gear. Drop it down. There we go.
We didn't expect we'd be able to just buy an old bus on eBay and renovate it with zero experience.
And we never imagined that we'd see so many corners of the earth. And on the way, we've built our own tribe of people. And it's just been wicked, hasn't it?
To all of our friends who we've met through the internet, to everybody who's believed in us and gave us pep talks when we needed them, to everybody that's helped us when we were down and cheered for us when we were up. Thank you all. We love you.
Oh, it's just crazy. That's a bloody crazy journey. I can't believe we've made it.
Look, I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad, let her ties in the hearse. I've been on a vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap. Got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen Lincoln Tyson, do that ass survive, doing 80 to the house, then I hit her to the sky change. Haters on a tirade, talking to their crib in the face, be still, let that hit stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe. I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment.
But the biggest thank you ever is to you guys.
You guys.
You in there watching. You're bloody legends.
Honestly, we couldn't have done it without you. We just want to say a massive thank you to everybody that's watched our videos, bought our merch, left us lovely messages when we've been feeling a bit down. We've just got the best followers.
Yeah.
We really have, honestly, and this 100k is just so lovely. It's just great that we've got such a brilliant community behind us, and it makes us feel on top of the world.
Yeah, and you guys always come together, and like in the van life group on Facebook, you're always chatting away and
Yeah.
bigging each other up. So yeah, it's all about community, and we couldn't have done it without you guys. So over to you guys to round it up.
Kingit inspired us to move to a remote Scottish island.
Kinging It made me fall in love with my country again.
I watch Kingin' It because no matter how bad your day is, they always make you smile through these tough times. They are awesome.
Hi guys, I watch Kingin' It because it puts a smile on my face, which lately has been a little bit difficult. Don't mind the dog. See you later. Thank you.
Kinging it made me want to love life again, enjoy every day as it comes, and just be happy.
Kinging it made me follow my own dreams and rule my own world.
Hi, I'm Ellie and I'm from Germany. And to put it in the famous words of the amazing Captain B, Kinging it inspired me to not wait till something bad happens, to live my life to the fullest.
Kinging it inspired us to start the Swinglish adventure.
Kinging it inspired us to go on adventures together.
Watching Kinging It has inspired us to get a van and go and explore our beautiful country. And we went to Wales first.
Kinging It
made us pursue our dream of full-time travel.
Kinging It has inspired us to try new things.
Kinging It has inspired us to go swimming at fantastic places like this.
Hi guys, from a wet and windy Perth, Australia. Just wanted to say thanks for all the videos, you're awesome. I watch basically because you guys give me a taste at home and you're funny as hell. Good luck with the next 100.
Kinging It inspired us to survive this rusty bus.
Congrats on your 100k guys, you're awesome.
Félicitations Craig and Amy, that's congrats in French, for reaching 100,000 subscribers. It's been a long time coming. I'm so happy for you guys, and I want to thank you for allowing us to travel even if we had to stay home in the past year and a half. So I can't wait to meet you in Peru, and I'm sending you a lot of love. Bye.
I watch Kinging It because they always put a smile on my face and inspire me to live my life to the fullest.
Craig and Amy are my role models. Kinging It got me to start my own travel YouTube channel.
Hey Craig, hey Amy, congratulations on your 100k, that is huge. So I watch Kinging It honestly because you guys make me laugh so much. And I love both of you, separate and together, and I feel like that's super unique for a channel. I also wanted to point out that Amy, thank you so much. You've definitely inspired a new fashion style in me, and to kind of just like try it out, and why not? And for that, I absolutely love you for that. And as you can see, it's you've rubbed off on me a little bit. So I love you both, and congratulations on your 100k. 1, 2, 3, 4.